From Route 66 to Lake Tahoe shore, each state a story we adore. We adore. Las Vegas nights and Florida days, Alabama's warmth and Reno's haze. In our rolling home, we stake our claim across the map, different but the same. Wykoffs adventure.
Look at that. Those are awesome. This is the ride. Through the Utah mountains. Just beautiful. Got a log cabin over there.
Beautiful.
This the rest area?
Yeah. Float tubes, ice cream they have there when it opens. Nice.
What's back here?
And they said they're
So this is the rest area.
Here's the bathroom.
No overnight camping.
But
You got campers back here.
it looks like a whole campground.
Yeah, it's campground. But look at those rocks right there. And right there.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Where's the bathroom?
I don't know.
That's weird, huh? Oh, okay, so that's different property. No trespassing. So
Yeah.
that's property.
Look at that. Crazy.
So I guess they just mean like a place. Oh no, there's a bathroom.
Okay.
It's so tiny.
Right. Yep, there's a bathroom right there. So beautiful.
Yeah, like I didn't even notice any of those cabins. Oh wow, the water right there, that was cool.
Looks like that water rises.
Oh, I'm sure.
There might be a dam or something.
There's lots of houses over there. Wow.
We got trees.
Turkey.
No way.
Yeah. Wild turkey. Oh, a zip lining thing right
Yeah.
there. Oh, it looks like it's all tore up. That looks different
Oh,
than
that's an
every other
RV
road.
park down there.
Look at this.
Yep, RV park.
That setup. His truck matches his UTV.
Yeah. Oh, look at this, the train. Here's that train
The
place.
Caboose Village. Tiny home vacation rentals, Caboose Village. Are you kidding me? They turn them into rentals?
Yeah, that's what I told
That's so
you.
cool. I did
That's
not know
cool.
that.
That's awesome. And then they have the train thing right there. Caboose.
Oh, and there's bathrooms over there. That's like a park.
And then there's the caboose.
Oh, that is cool.
That is awesome. So look, the AC units on the side.
Mm-hmm.
At each spot is a place. That is cool. At each spot.
I love how they put them on the tracks and everything.
That's so cool.
I'm gonna have to come back here and rent one just to see what.
Yeah. I mean, we're driving through, so figured to check it all out. And they're all numbered. That's so cool.
So many of them.
Yeah.
And that's just like a story.
Yeah. Another.
Are those those showers?
Yeah. And then those are the shower houses right there. And the bathrooms. That is cool. They're not here yet because they must probably just about to be open, I bet, because of the snow. That's so cool.
Yeah, most parks open in May.
Yeah. They got the power on that one. That's a big right there. That's a big one. But look, see, that's the same size as that right there. And you can put a whole house in there. Look. Look how big that is. You can turn that into a serious place. That is so cool.
I would like to see the front of it, please. Oh, they put, okay, so they took out the big doors and put sliding glass doors. That's what they did. On the storage one. They closed the doors.
That's so cool. And you got the Candy Mountains.
Wow, that's so cool.
You got the Candy Mountains over there.
Yeah, that looks completely different than this. Kind of like candy corn, I guess.
Yeah, right?
Call it that?
Get that rock out of the tire. But look at the ride is just beautiful.
There's a bike trail over there. Like a concrete. Oh, here's a camper.
Campers are coming. Look at that. That is crazy.
Yeah, but not as pretty as what it looks like over there.
All the dirt trails. So cool. So we're in Utah. In between these crazy loving mountains. Wow, the way that they're carved out, dude. They just look so fake. You know?
And it's even crazier when they actually do shape.
Right, when they shape them out.
Like that almost looks like the texture of the mountains almost looks like a dinosaur
Right,
skin.
the skull.
And then,
Scales.
Scales, that. Just so many different colors. And, I mean, yeah, not bright colors, but still. Like the ones you were looking at back there look purplish.
Yeah. It's definitely a beautiful ride.
Oh, yeah.
They got themselves.
There's someone, yeah.
Been down there. That's a boondocking spot down there. Yep. Yeah, because you get down right down there.
Oh, there's a cave up there, like a little cave.
You get down right there. Look at that boulder right there on the side of the road. Don't let that fall down. Man, that would definitely stink for sure. Let's see if we can try to get off on the side of the road.
Oh, now the river across the street.
Yep, went across the street. What's up, guys? What's going on? It's Wykoff here on this lovely ride through Utah's mountains. Man, just wanted to take a ride. We dropped the trailer off way back. But yeah, this is basically our surroundings. We're about an hour and a half from this location. But we wanted to, check around. Like an hour out and see what's around. And this drive was our favorite, so we wanted to share it with you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this ride through the Utah rocky, crazy mountains. So there's a lot more to come. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't hit the like button, hit that like button. Let's go. Come on, let's beat that algorithm. Come on. Later, y'all. See y'all in the next adventure.